Right, it's me again. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's recording with an external mic. It's here, strapped to my chest, and I took the wind muff off, so it's going without wind muff. Radio is playing here in the car. Now, see a difference here on my roof to yesterday. I installed like a sun shield. Since this car has a glass roof all the way from the top to the back, I'm gonna get a little hot in here when the sun is hitting it hard, and it's what happens most of the time when the sun is out. And as nice as it is to see the green in the back, I'm sure you saw that the special light yesterday in my video. You know, the tint, the green tint makes it look neat. Let me take a left here. I do have to I did look at the video yesterday to look at the details of it, and I noticed that I have some focus breathing going in there, even though I have a face recognition on it. Recognizes the face and focuses on the face, but I see it every once in a while doing stuff, like there's stuff happening. The picture is zooming in and out a little bit, like weird. So that is something I want to look at today. I'm sure it has to do with this constant autofocus. So maybe it's better to have a single autofocus, so where it focuses on, let's say, my face once, and since my face doesn't move much here, that setting is good enough for the whole recording, and then it doesn't have to do this breathing thing. That is one thing. And then I also have one microphone only, and the Pocket is supposedly capable of handling 2 microphones to create a stereo sound, and for that you need to order a second microphone if you don't have, and that's what I did. So last week I ordered directly from DJI this one here, a second microphone, and we are going to pull over here somewhere to do an unboxing video, and then I just unbox it, and then we have to either charge it in the car here if there is a cable in there, or we just use it not charged, and then we see how this works. If we have a better sound of it, I don't know, we'll see. So I'm at product showcase mode. That means it does not track me anymore. Look at this. I can click on here, there, and it doesn't track. So product showcase takes the tracking off the picture. Okay, that's fine. And then here I have the product. But I think I can, while this is running, run the dynamic framing, and then I can go with the cursor in here, make it like this, and now it dynamically frames the product. So I can move my product over here or over here, and it's going to follow the product. Unfortunately, this product now is on the left side of the frame all the time. So on the right here I have enough space to give you product details. Maybe I should do that. This one is a shadow, a black. It's a transmitter. It's a charging pouch, a carrying pouch, I'm sorry about that, a clip magnet, a windscreen, a USB-C charge cable, and it also is it has documents in it. So when I turn it around, it loses focus. When I turn it back, it keeps focus again. So it knows itself. Now let's do this again. I'm going to click on it and make it that it follows the middle. Oh, now it does my face. Active track for my face, not for this. Okay, let's see. So there is here this thing you have to rip open here and there. I don't know if this is focused now. Open it like this. And then there's a pouch in there. Oh wow! Stuff fell out. There's a pouch in there and there is a not edible silica gel. Throw away, it says. This is oddly enough this hefty bag. It's a PVC kind of plastic. It's vacuum sealed. And then here is documentation. Put this back in together with the gel. Now, you know what doesn't make sense is, this is sealed airtight, I think. And why would you put this gel pack outside of it? And I have no knife. So there's no way I can get in here. There we go. And we have this pouch. The recycling information is 4 LDPE. Okay, somebody wants to know this. This is a nice pouch. This is going to be helpful for my microphone, the one I'm wearing too. And look at that, what we found. Another one of those. Okay, so there's 2 compartments in here. Let's check compartment 1. Here's a USB-C to USB-A cable. Put this back in here. I think in my car here I only have USB-C, so I would not be able to charge in my car because I don't have USB. See, I have a microphone here, a transmitter. There it is. Okay, this is the same as the one I have. And then a little bag with a wind muff. And that's a resealable little one, and that's in here. Same as this, I think. Let's see if the fluff is the same. Because this here was the most softest I can ever imagine. It looks slightly different, but then again, I used this one before. But it does look somehow different a little bit, no? It's a little bit different. Okay. Those back in here, that's good. Okay. Yep. Put the gel back in here. Okay. And then we can just turn this on, I guess. It has to pair. I don't know if you can do this while you're driving. There is no protective foil over it. It's not. Okay. So now I have to pair it. So now is the moment of truth. I can see that both microphones are connected. One is here, one is there, and let me try this here. So to get some kind of separation, I can put one microphone up there. So one is up there now, one is down here, and we can switch the audio back and forth. But so, looking at this now, let's do this. Oh, look at that. Okay, there we go. I'm going to drive now, right? What I see on the screen is 2 meters, separate meters. That's very neat. What else do I see? Car coming now. Yeah, so this should be stereo, but I have different versions of software on the microphone. So that's something I want to fix, you know, before I do more video. So this is the initial impression here of how stuff works, right? And I'm just off on the way to the bakery to get some cake. And then I'm gonna post this video here. Man, there's so much traffic. I'm gonna post this video. I don't even know. I think I have to take a ride here. I don't know 100% where it is, but yeah. There's a lot of traffic I see here. Oh yeah, there's traffic jam. The crane is messing around on that side. Makes sense, so there's too much traffic going on. Let's drive here through this intersection with the gimbal pointed forward, and we're gonna take a right, and then you see how the gimbal is moving around hard. Good. I don't want to make this video too long, but this is the first impression of the 2 microphones. Let me turn on my radio, playing some music here in the car. I'm going to see how this sounds like with these 2 microphones. So here I am at the German cake store. I'm gonna go in there and get some cake.